If you want your workouts to be efficient and really fast, then I want to introduce you to this full body superset that you could literally do back to back or in a little micro session to get your heart rate up, feel accomplished, and actually have an impact on your body composition. We're gonna learn about what a superset is and how these two movements together complement and compound all of the progress that you want. Hey, what's up, my free and powerful friends? I am Magnify Maggie. I'm the creator of the Magnify Method, and I'm helping you get fit while you learn to cut back or quit so that you're thinking different in order to drink different or never again. So today we are diving into fitness, but make sure you subscribe because I'm also dropping education on nutrition and positive attitude, positive mindset every Sunday and every Thursday. Now let's go work out. All right, let's define it. A superset is taking two exercises, typically some sort of resistance exercise, and putting them together back to back. In doing so, you create an elevated heart rate so that you're burning more calories and you're done with your workout in a heck of a lot more time, a heck of a lot less time, so that you're on with your day. So you can really pack a punch in less time and get the same calorie burn and muscle building as if it took you an hour and a half. Let's do the damn thing. All right, for this routine, I really am only using about the space of a yoga mat, and then I've got an elevated surface. Now, you could use a Bosu ball. You could also just elevate your feet on the first step of your staircase. You could use books, anything so that you have a little bit of a step up for your heels to rest on. Now, this first movement is going to be targeting your hamstrings, your glutes, and your lower back. It really is completely posterior chain. So as you lie back, you want to squeeze your glutes and bring yourself up into what's called hip extension. You're going to feel your hips lock out at the top. Now this, right on its own, is already a burner. Now we're going to add something here. We're going to add one leg lift. As you lift one leg, your other glute is going to really press yourself up to the sky. Lower with control. And again, press up. Boy, are you gonna feel this throughout the back of your leg. So this is the first movement. This is using many different muscles all together so that your heart rate goes up, you're burning more calories, but also challenging your muscles to grow. Now, this is really challenging, just beginner level, but if you wanna compound a little bit more, even so, grab a couple dumbbells. If you're doing this at home, you can use soup cans, water bottles. You're gonna elevate your arms straight over your head, be careful. As you lower your leg, you're gonna lower your dumbbells. As you lift one leg, you're gonna lift your dumbbells. Now this is also training your central nervous system, training your brain coordination. And in the beginning and intermediate phases of working out, you really are challenging your coordination. So you're gonna find that this will help your balance. This will just help you overall throughout your day. But boy, is my heart rate coming up. So this is just the first movement for the superset. Do about 10 of each for each leg, total of 20, before hopping up to continue working our entire body for the second part of that superset. Little to no rest, getting right into it. So this next movement is gonna go ahead and actually stretch out our hamstrings and our glutes from that movement we just did. So I'm hinging into a deadlift form, and I've got something heavy. I'm using a plate, but you could use a book bag, you could use dumbbells, and I'm hinging forward, reaching this down towards my ankles. From here, I'm gonna squeeze my glutes, come up, flip that plate, and press it overhead. So again, this is full body. We're getting the backs of our legs, our glutes, our lower back, and then our upper body to press whatever we're using in our hands overhead. Great for shoulders, great for triceps. Ooh, even a little bit of upper back in there. And you can really speed this up. Let's go. Again, we did 20 on the first exercise, 10 each leg. So here, depending on how much time you need or have, I would do about 10 to 15 of these hinge touch and goes, I think is what we ended up calling him. There we go. Now, if you're not super comfortable with that hinge movement, it does take a little bit of getting used to. You can also just come down into a squat. Squat, press. Squat, press. And that right there is gonna incorporate more of your quads, the front of your thighs, a little bit more knee action. Whew. And boy, are you gonna be real accomplished after that one. Whew. Okay, so what I just showed you can be incorporated on its own or even as a burnout at the end of your workout session. The fun thing is that if you're busy, if you don't have gym access, you can do this at home right when you wake up, maybe do 4 rounds back to back. You're gonna have your heart rate up, you're gonna have those happy hormones, and you're also gonna be building really healthy muscles, which is what we want to burn fat. All right, so now it's your turn. Go ahead and challenge yourself to do this and then come back and give us a comment. Let us know how it went. How are you feeling? How's the muscle soreness? But better yet, how are your confidence levels now that you're actually getting in quick, efficient exercises that are beneficial to your overall body composition? Leave your comment and make sure you subscribe for next time. And until that time, make sure you're thinking different in order to drink different, or never again.